Hey, it's Josh with Ernest Roots, and on this video, I'll be showing you how to put these wax wire foundations onto your frames. It's super simple, so let's get to it. Alright, so what you do is you take your tool here, and this is already loose, but typically you just take it and you would pry it apart and loosen that piece of wood right there. Set it to the side for now. And then you take your wax. Now this B frame here has the slot. You can see that. Let me get the camera fixed right. Alright, so this B frame has a slot right here. You slide the wax through that slot. Just holding the wood up a little bit. Just like that. And then you want it to sit on that little lip right there. As you can see here, the wire has a little 90-degree bend. You want to make that pointing up. And you take your piece of wood here and put pressure on it. And just hold it there. And you take your nail. So just like that. Super simple. Once you already have the frames built, that is. Alright, so to clarify, this is a brood box frame. This is a super box frame. And this frame doesn't have a slot all the way through. If you can see there, it makes it a little bit trickier to do. But same concept. Just slide it. And put some pressure on it. And find the nails wherever they went. And that's it. All right, there you have it. Super simple. Now they're ready to go in a box and let the bees do their thing. Hope you found the video useful. Until next time, thanks.